So folks, we've just covered how to clear up your credit history. We now move into the very next step of the process, which is obtaining the mortgage that's right for you. We've brought in an expert in the mortgage lending industry, Angela Torres. Angela, thank you for joining us. And why don't you tell us a little bit about what it is that you do in the mortgage industry?
Well, I am a mortgage specialist, and what I do is I work hand in hand with the borrower to help them obtain a home loan.
Got it. Okay, so what specifically is involved in obtaining a home loan?
Well, what we do is we review the credit, we pair them with the correct program to fit their needs, and we walk them through the closing.
Oh, fantastic. Well, once again, on our show, we like to take questions direct from our viewers who are in the market for a mortgage now. So if you don't mind, we'll go to our very first question.
Why should I use a mortgage broker instead of going to my bank?
Angela, why should someone use a mortgage broker to help them find the right loan for them?
Well, by using a mortgage specialist, you are then hiring someone to represent you. And by doing so, we can then pair you to the correct program to fit your financial needs, which will then overall increase your chances for home approval.
Okay, cool. So if I can recap, the 3 bullet points of working with a loan officer include having someone that's going to represent my needs specifically, find the exact program that fits those needs, and overall make this thing a much easier process to walk through.
Correct.
Got it. Okay, we've got another really good question here.
What do I need to qualify for a mortgage loan?
Okay, well, most people would want to know the answer to this question, Angela. How does someone qualify for a home loan in today's market?
Well, generally, the average person would need a 640 FICO and 20% down. But there are other programs out there, like an FHA program, that would require 3.5% with a FICO as low as 580. We also can help people who might have some credit challenges, no tax return, or possible down payment assistance. They just simply need to call us and we can assist them at that point.
So now what about for the veterans out there?
Well, there's actually a specific program for a veteran. Their loans are actually guaranteed and they can put as little as $1 down.
Wow, that is great news, I'm sure, for many. Now, we're going to jump to one more question, if you don't mind, and that would be...
I have a foreclosure. Can I still qualify for a mortgage loan?
See, now there's another great question I'm sure pertains to many. Angela, how would you respond to our situation where someone may have some challenges? Where do they begin the process to qualify for a mortgage in today's market?
Well, I wouldn't exactly assume that you don't qualify. The first step is contacting a mortgage specialist to assist you in obtaining a loan. And remember that the consultation is free.
Very good. Well, again, I'd like to thank you for joining us in our studios today.